Do you constantly find yourself in situations when you are running out of ports to plug in your accessories? Or perhaps you are not so proud owner of a MacBook that does not feature commonly used ports like an Ethernet port, HDMI port, or SD card readers? Well, if answer to any of those questions was a yes, then you should definitely watch this video until the end. In today's video, we are going to talk about two of the hottest new accessories from our favorite accessory brand Ugreen. In this video, we will unbox and review the Ugreen 13-in-1 USB-C multifunction adapter that features a whopping 13 ports, and the Ugreen 10-in-1 USB-C multifunction adapter that supports up to 8K displays at 30Hz. Before we talk about both of these dogs in detail, let's unbox them first and see what you get in the box. The inside contents of these packages are pretty minimal, which is of course good for the environment. Let's take out the 13-in-1 dock and take it out of its packaging. Inside the box you get the usual suspects in the form of reading materials and manuals. These can be helpful at times when you don't know how things work. Let's start with the Ugreen 10-in-1 USB-C docking station, your all-in-one solution for connectivity. This powerhouse comes equipped with not one but two HDMI ports for a mind-blowing multi-monitor display experience, supporting up to 4K at 60Hz on two monitors or a staggering 8K at 30Hz on a single display. The versatility does not stop there. With a 5 Gbps USB-C and USB-A 3.0 port, along with two USB-A 2.0 ports, file transfers have never been faster, reaching up to 5 Gbps. Whether you're backing up data, connecting external devices, or just managing your digital life, the docking station has you covered. Need to power up your devices in a flash? No problem. The 100-watt power delivery feature ensures that your USB-C devices get the juice they need, with support for up to 85-watt USB-C pass-through charging. The built-in SD and micro SD card readers add an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to transfer your photos and videos seamlessly to your MacBook. And for all you gamers and video enthusiasts out there, the ultra-fast Ethernet port with 1000 Mbps ensures a lag-free and lightning-fast internet connection. Next, let's talk about the Ugreen 13-in-1 USB-C multifunction dock. With this dock, you can truly unlock the full potential of your MacBook's USB-C port, because this docking station is a powerhouse. Featuring not one but two HDMI ports, a display port, a lightning fast 10 Gbps USB-C 3.2 Generation 2 port, two 10 Gbps USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and two USB-A 3.0 ports, and that's not all. With the 100-watt power delivery RJ45 connector, 3.5mm audio jack, and an SD/micro SD card reader, this docking station is a one-stop power solution for all your connectivity needs. Let's take a look at the layout of these ports, starting from the SD card readers, 3.5mm audio jack, USB-A ports, and USB-C port. On the other side of the dock, you get more ports. Here you can see you get the USB-C power delivery port, display port, two HDMI ports, a USB-A port, and the RJ45 Ethernet port. As you have three display ports on this dock, you can connect up to 3 monitors with your computer. With this dock, you can transfer files, movies, and photos at lightning speeds of up to 10 Gbps via the USB-C data port and dual USB-A ports. And for power, you get support for up to 100 watt of power delivery, which is great. So, the real question is, which of these docks is better for you? Well, it comes down to personal preferences and the kind of things you do on your MacBook. If you need more ports, faster data transfer speeds of up to 10 Gbps, and can live with a larger dock, then go for the 13-in-1 USB-C multifunction dock. However, if you are in the market for a more compact size dock with 10 ports that can support an 8K display and offers 5 Gbps transfer speeds, then the Ugreen 10-in-1 USB-C multifunction adapter is a great choice. Both of these adapters offer great USB-C compatibility and add missing features to a MacBook. This includes multiple USB-A ports, additional USB-C ports, HDMI and display ports, TF card readers, SD card readers, and RJ45 Ethernet ports, which take your MacBook connectivity to the next level. The design on these USB-C docks is also pretty good. Both of them are made up of aluminium that not only feels premium but is also pretty durable. The cable on these docks is also long enough to easily connect with the MacBook and is braided for added durability. For your reference, here's a complete list of ports that you get with these docks. On the left, you can see the ports for Ugreen 13-in-1 USB-C multifunctional dock. All 13 ports are listed here. On the right, you can see the ports for Ugreen 10-in-1 USB-C multifunction dock. All 10 ports are listed here. Now let's see how these adapters look when multiple accessories and wires are attached to them. Let's start with the 10-in-1 adapter and see how it performs. Here I have connected a display, TF card, MagSafe charger, USB-A external hard drive, USB-A thumb drive and more to the adapter with a few ports still remaining empty. And as you can see, the 10-in-1 USB-C multifunction adapter handles all of this like a champ. Now let's switch to the 13-in-1 USB-C multifunction adapter and see how it performs with the same workload. Again, I have connected a display, TF card, a charger, USB-A external hard drive, a thumb drive and more to the adapter with a few ports still remaining empty. And as you can see, this dock handles the workload pretty nicely. A super cool feature of this dock is that it goes beyond supporting your Mac. Since this is a USB-C adapter, it can be used with your iPad as well. Here you can see I have connected this dock to my iPad Air and it is detected by iPadOS right away. I'm also getting the display output on the screen, allowing me to get iPad's output on my monitor, which is pretty remarkable. While I'm getting the display output and my iPad is being charged through the PD port, the iPad is also able to detect the external hard drive, the thumb drive and the TF card that I have attached to the dock, which means I can do all these multifunctional tasks with the dock using a single USB-C port on the iPad, which turns my iPad into a full-fledged computer. So guys, this was our look at the Ugreen 10-in-1 USB-C adapter and the Ugreen 13-in-1 USB-C adapter. You can get the 10-in-1 adapter from Ugreen's website for $69.99 and the 13-in-1 adapter is available for $129.99. Links to both of these products are given in the description. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. This was Zabe for iOS Hacker and I will catch you on our next video. Until then, take care.